I'm lost in your embrace. Every tide I feel, your love is real. The currents pull me near, no room for any fear. Your spirit calls my name, forever the same. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean the sunlight meets the sea. You're shining over me. My burdens fade away. New day. Your mercy flows so free, like waves eternally. You calm my storming mind, so kind. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Let your waters flow wherever I may go. Forever I'll be found, safe and sound. Ocean of Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean of love. Ocean of love. I'm drifting in you. Ocean of love. I'm drifting in you. voice is everywhere. The silence starts to bloom. Your spirit fills the room. Every breath I take is for your sake. In this quiet ground, your healing love is found. Every fear erased by your grace. Garden of mercy, pure and wide, where my heart can safely hide. Every wound you mend again, breaks through the haze. Your mercy lights my days. I hear your gentle call. I give you all. Your truth, my heart's delight. Your love restores my sight. No fear can ever stay. You lead the way. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. The heavens start to sing, the dawn of our true King. The stars bow down in awe, your perfect law. You crown the earth with peace, our spirits find release. The past is washed away in your day. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. Your throne of light remains beyond all time and pain. Forever, every soul in your embrace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. Kingdom of grace forevermore. Kingdom of grace. Fire of grace, but Within the ashes of my heart, you make a brand new start. Your light ignites my soul and makes me whole. The darkness melts away. You turn the night to day. Your spirit is my flame. I sing your name. Breathe on me again. Holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. The embers start to rise. Your truth before my eyes. My spirit glows within, freed from sin. Each flame declares your word, consuming all the earth. Your power sets me free, eternally. Breathe on me again. Holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. Let your flame remain through joy and through the pain. Forever I will be set free. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. Fire of grace, burn in me now. Fire of grace. Eternal light shine in my soul. When night tries to remain, your glory ends the pain. The darkness fades away. You are the day. You Your flame will never fall. Your truth outshines it all. Forever you will be the light in me. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal you speak and worlds awake. The heavens start to shake. Your word creates the sun, the Holy One. Your radiance never ends. It heals, restores, and mends. Forever I will be in thee. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal light. Fire inside my heart will never be apart. Forever I will stay in your way. Eternal light through the clouds, you find me now. The storm has come and gone. Your peace is all I'm on. Raindrops fade away. You make a way. My heart begins to see. Your light is calling me. Every shadow's past, your love begins to glow. Your grace begins to flow. 1,000 voices rise to the skies. You paint the world with peace. My doubts begin to cease. Your hands renew the day in your way. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Your light will never fade. Through every night and shade, forever I will see you're with me. You're with me. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the Light through the clouds, shine again. Light through the clouds. Heaven open wide, your glory falls inside. The veil begins to tear, your presence fills the air. Every heart awake for your name's sake. The light descends like rain. You heal our hidden pain. We lift our hands on high. Your spirit fills the sky. Every soul made new. Let your glory reign through joy and through the pain. Forever we will be free. Heaven open wide, pour your grace, shine your light on every place, every voice and every cry, rise into the sky. Heaven open wide, pure and true, all our hearts belong to you. Let your love abide. Heaven open wide. Heaven open wide, forevermore. Heaven open Rain of blessing, fall on me now. Every dry and broken land now drinks from your gentle hand. Tears become the sea of mercy free. The clouds begin to glow, your presence starts to flow. Every heart awakes, grace overtakes. You pour your love again, like healing from the rain. Every soul reborn by your dawn. Rain of blessing, pure and true, wash my heart Rain of blessing, fall on me now. Rain of blessing. Path of glory, lead me home. Through the valley of my fear, I feel your presence near. Every shadow starts to fade. By your light I'm made. Your word becomes my guide. No longer will I hide. You carry me through pain like gentle rain. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Mountains bow to your grace, heaven touches this place. So creation sings to the King. Your fire lights my way through every passing day. Forever I will go where you show. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Your steps are etched in time. Your grace my only sign. Forever